what happened to my potato, because it's been raining the other day and like this. Yeah, I need to, because it's got no, it's so quick, this one, because not long and then it's growing so fast. And not only that, I don't know what's going on with these people. And look, it's been like this since the rain came, and it's really not good because, you know, it's too much going on. It's going down, but that one is still. Oh yeah, look, need some like a rail, you know, because it's too tall and the steam is not so strong. So I'm trying to do this now because they're quite good. Oh, I love my tomato. Can you believe that it's lying down there? Hi, hi. Oh. Yeah, look, it's loads of big now. There. I need to be careful because this, I think because they can carry this, the tomato is too big. Yeah, that one there is very big. Look. So yeah, it's gonna be like that. Maybe. But I'll try to lift this up because I don't want to get waves. Yeah, look, it's very healthy. And this is like I'm not doing last year, but it's gone really well. I'm waiting for my darling to drop something. Oh, yeah. The steam ready to go. Well, this is what you call healthy tomato of Nini. Maybe I'll leave as it is because it's gonna break, isn't it? So just leave it. It's growing nicely.